Precision Dental Lab actually started in 1956 here in Charlotte. They actually started as a removable lab. In 1982, Billy and Beth Drake decided to head off on their own.
Our goal is to not pass people from one person to another. We try to build relationships, and I think that's what we've done a really good job of.
But there's so much out there right now that you could do, and there's so many people out there that can help you, like true abutments can help you in different areas, that the possibilities are endless.
Without a doubt, it's the people. One of the things we've enjoyed a tremendous tenure of our people on our team here. There's a lot of individuals that have been here even before Billy bought the lab. There's one, and since then, so the tenure of the people, and I think that's a testament to the business and the way Billy's approached the business, that I approach the business moving forward, is people are key. Without them, the restorations don't get done, the clients don't get what they want, the patients don't get what they want and deserve as well. So without a doubt, the people in this building make Drake what it is.
I'm proud of where we were when I came here, and where we've come, where we are now. When I came here, it was a small little building, 19 people. It was a very good laboratory, very good technicians. But to be able to see all of that and see it grow and see where we are now, and to know where we can go with all the new digital and everything that's coming in, it's just a fascinating transition in the industry. That it's to be where I am right now and to be able to see it and to be able to understand all of that is just great. I mean, there's nothing else like it in the industry right now.
I think the amount of veterans that are over 20 years here speak for itself. It's a comfortable place to work, and you're allowed to go forward and to reach out into other specialties and other departments and learn more. So I'm proud of that longevity, and the employees are empowered to move on and to kind of reach out into other technical aspects and learn more, and what Drake does to keep up with that technology.
One of the things that Billy taught me early on is looking towards the future, looking to what's down the road. How's it going to improve what we do as a company? How's it going to improve the lives of the patients and the clients that we serve? Although we've all had a difficult time over 2020, that's past us, and we can't look at that. I think we learn from that, and we look for the future, and we look for opportunities to really push forward and continue to grow and service the dental community at the highest level possible.
I want to engage with Billy real quick. I'm looking at you right now.
Recognition goes to you, Mr. Drake, for everything that Drake Dental has done for the industry for the past 60 years and moving forward. We're so excited to be a part of your success.
Single word: excellence. That's what we strive for every day. Perfection is near impossible, but excellence is really what we strive for every day.
Quality, the stability of getting a quality product of whatever the clinicians ask for. We're actually open to do things out of the box and not to say no to it, and that's why we get a lot of the hard cases, is because they know we'll do it. So we have that reputation for that.
Phenomenal. That's the easiest word I can tell you. Everything about this place, the ownership, the people, the work, everything about it is phenomenal.
authentic. What you see is what you get with Drake. There's no hidden agenda, there's no A team, B team, and I think when you talk to us, who we are just kind of really comes across in that. So our goal is to be just real.
Family. Like I say, everybody knows each other, and you know, people have problems and life happens sometimes, and you know, everybody's here to help the next person in line. Be it with time off or change of schedules, you know, especially with the pandemic, some people are not able to work from home, but their kids are homeschooling, so they have to be there. So, you know, we'll transition if you need to work second shift or part of third shift, or it's just everybody's here to help each other out. It's pretty awesome.
Wow, gratifying. Because I am so proud of everything that I do and everything I've become here. So gratifying, I guess. Yeah.